So innovation group is made up of innovation specialists and emerging technology specialists, and we are all working together for the areas of emerging technology innovation, business model innovation, and cultural innovation as well, to really bring up the digital literacy of our employee, as well as to create initiative that actually helps to uplift the productivity of the bank and to make use of the latest technology to make sure that we are differentiating ourselves, to make sure that we are holding our client's hand during their user journey, as well as to make sure that we are meeting the demand of client at the moment that they need us. And the way that we work together with other teams, right, is normally we'll have a use case that we work together with the business line to define the use case, and we'll work with GTO, which is our technology operation team. We'll work with the channel product team, etc., to really look at what is being required to bring the use case to fruition. There are quite a numbers of achievements that we have over the past few years when it comes to AI and blockchain. From AI perspective, right, we have won 5 awards from the Digital Banker that includes the Best AI Partnership, the Outstanding Use of AI in Credit Decisioning, the Outstanding Use of AI in Risk Management for Private Bank and Compliance, as well as the Outstanding Use of AI in Predictive Analytic Initiative for Branch. From blockchain perspective, we have also recently won the International Innovation Award from Enterprise Asia, as well as the Digital Asset Initiative of the Year for Global Custodian. So these are some of the achievement and the award that we get from the industry. Internally within UOB, we have rolled out co-pilots to more than 32,000 employees, and more than 20,000 of them are being trained to really prompt the co-pilot for use in their daily work. And in fact, we are one of the highest user of Copilot according to Microsoft, where we send millions of prompts on a daily basis. At the same time, we also have a platform for build your own bots, where the innovation group will work with the business line and the tech and operations team to create bots that help to automate the process. For example, recently we have launched the SG branch bots that we have rolled out to that will roll out to more than 40 branches by the end of the year. That which is to help them to answer query from customer on the spot about our product and services. We have similar bots for HR, for our global wholesale banking and others that we use to for the user to find out more about our policies and our internal practice and processes, etc. So we have rolled out around 8 of these bots, and there's another 5 to complete by the end of the year, and with another 12 that is lined up for next year. So all in all, that we are looking at a whole pipeline of AI and data and blockchain project that will bring a lot of benefits to the organization. But overall, we need to understand one important point, which is we are always a bank that is led by people and powered by technology. So innovation is the creation of new value. And when we think about innovation in UOB, is innovation with purpose, is the innovation with sustaining growth. So innovation in a way is to create new tools to augment our people to really do their work better, to do higher value work. And at the same time, governance is a very important aspect when it comes to innovation, because governance will help us to make sure that our innovation is sustainable. So UOB is a ASEAN-centric bank. So ASEAN first strategy, while continue to remain globally relevant, is very important for UOB. For UOB, we are actually looking at orchestrating services that at the moment of demand that is required by the client across an embedded ecosystem that allow us to respond very quickly to client. So that will actually help us to differentiate from the service level perspective. And we're also looking at the usage of governance and sustainability to make sure that our innovation is guided and to make sure that the innovation can be measured in terms of the benefit to the business and to the ecosystem that we are part of. So we will continue to scale all the emerging technology, especially AI, as well as to really future-proof our data infrastructures and our blockchain technology. At the same time, we are going to invest more in training our employee to make sure that they are comfortable to use the latest technology, because as a bank, UOB need to rely heavily on our people, and we need to make sure that we reskill them, we upskill them to augment them with the technology that's required.